Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set dark mode in Tradingview. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. Now the next one is how can you create an account in Tradingview. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Tradingview. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's section, that is how to set dark mode on Tradingview. For you to do that, head over to the top right corner of your homepage. So just go ahead and move to your user profile. Now click on that, your profile icon. That takes you here. In here you have a couple of features which include profile settings, account and billing, refer a friend, help center, notifications, what's new. Of course you have your dark color theme, and you have language, you have sign out. So for you to set to dark mode, just head over to dark color theme and you see this toggle switch. Now switch on the toggle switch and you see that this has been changed to dark. I love dark view. The dark view looks really classy and enticing. Now if you want to set it back to light mode, just go ahead and toggle that off and see that it's all things bright and beautiful. But I think I would just like to prefer and stay with the dark color mode, which makes it more enhanced. It gives me an enhanced view. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.